Well, one thing's for sure. Once you get your first Hoselink, you're gonna want a second one. Let me show you why. Let's get started. So for those of you that have been following along with what's going on around here, you know that Hoselink sent me a hose reel for my backyard, an 82-foot hose reel. That's 25 meters. They work with the metric system, not the imperial system. So 25-meter hose, 82 feet, and I loved it so much I had to get another one for the front yard. So they sent me another one for the front yard. I did a little extra work to run the main sprinkler line all the way across the flower bed so that I can use the main sprinkler line in my front yard, just like I use it in my backyard. Put it on a nice post, and I think it looks great. I'm really happy to have it here. I want to just take a few minutes and show you why I love these so much. It's really awesome. It has some really cool features, and a lot of the nice features are in the details, and that's what I want to talk about today. So let's get right into it. So the biggest reason I love this hose reel is I can pull out the hose, especially, and this is why I put it in this spot, I can pull the hose out all the way to the curb, rinse out anything I need to rinse out, clean anything off I need to clean off. It will extend all the way past the sidewalk, so it's plenty of distance. I can reach all the way to the other side of my yard there, and I don't have to worry about it kinking. I don't have to worry about it tangling. When I'm done, give it a little tug, goes right back into place. I love that. So great. If you've dealt with tangled hoses, kinked hoses, anything like that, then you know this is a lifesaver. It's really easy to put together. It's got its own quick connect fittings, both when you connect it to your water supply and when you connect it to the actual nozzle itself. And the reason they put this here is for two reasons. There's a valve here that you can shut off just by pushing it up. That'll shut it off. And then you can disconnect the quick fitting here, and then they have accessories on their website that you can connect that to. Super easy. And if you want, you can even extend your hose by adding another hose to it, regular garden hose. So for example, I have an extra 25-foot hose that if I want to add to it, super easy. I can leave the water on, shut off the quick connect fitting, disconnect the current nozzle, turn the valve back on, and then I'm in business and I've got an extra 25 feet. And in my case, I didn't even lose any water pressure. So win-win all around.
Win, win, win. It is done.
Another thing I like about this thing is it's easy to manage. Not just when you extend the hose or retract it, but when you're pulling the hose around the yard. If I start over here and I want to go to the other side, this is going to help me because it will rotate on the hinge on the mount. So that's the nice thing about this. You get complete 180 degrees of action there. And if you want to move this and pull it off or store it away for the winter, you can pull it off super easy. They put a handle in the back to help you with that. There it is. Really nice. So that's why I like this thing. I'm very happy to have another one here in the front yard. Like I said, when you get one and you're only able to use it in one spot in your yard and you want to have it in another spot, there you go. They're kind of addicting, so you've been warned. So just to kind of wrap things up, I want to just touch on a couple things that were mentioned and brought up in the comments of my last video. And the first thing is, what size is the diameter of the hose? These are 1/2-inch hoses, and I know that a lot of people might frown upon that. For me, I haven't really noticed much difference in pressure loss or anything like that. I think that this works great. Another thing that's brought up is why 82 feet? So this company, as I mentioned earlier, they're based out of Australia, and 82 feet in our imperial system translates to 25 meters in the metric system. So 25 meters, 82 feet. Will we see 100 feet later on? Possibly. That's the nice thing I like about this company, is they're very open to ideas and they're open to feedback. And now that they're bringing their products into the market here in the States, things like that are going to come up a lot more often, and I think that they're going to be open to maybe offering those in the future. We'll see. and if they do, awesome. But for now we have a 50-foot hose option and an 82-foot option. They're both great, and as you can see, you can add extra line to them if you want, just a regular garden hose. It'll attach really easy, and with the convenience of being able to shut the water off, disconnect, connect your hose, turn the flow back on, and you're good to go. Easy as that. When I attached an extra 25 feet to this 50-foot reel, I didn't notice any loss in water pressure. It worked flawlessly. So very convenient. The design is well thought out. I'm very happy to have this. I think it actually complements this little rose garden that we have going on here. So there you go, guys. I hope that's helpful for you. I'm always happy to recommend products that I've tried and that I've tested, and this is one of them. I'm very happy with this. If you're looking for a hose reel that's going to solve all the problems that come with a traditional garden hose, here it is. So discount code is available in the description below. Make sure you check that out. Hope you found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.